Alright, it's snack time. Okay, so you have a small little party where some friends are coming over the house. What do? Well, what I normally do is I like to get Stacy's Pita chips. They're just really delicious and they're healthy for you. And most of the time what I do is I put out Sabra roasted red pepper hummus. And I usually pull it out of here and I put it in a container. But let's pretend we have people that don't want to do this. Well, here's a really good shortcut. You purchase this large pack of individual guacamole. They're called mini guacamoles.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
And as you can see, this is a box of 18. You get them in these little containers and you peel this container. Let's see if I can peel this off. As you can see, it's on there for life. Oh, maybe the next one will be easier. Not easier. Okay, well, just was wondering if I was doing it wrong here. Okay, you probably have to cut them open. Take your knife and you cut around the edges. And what this is delicious guacamole. I mean, it's not very pretty right now because I'm trying to open up the container. But this is great for snacks, goes well on lunches. There it comes. But once it's open, it only lasts one day. Pull out some of these guys. Put it on a plate. You could have this for your lunch. Take this, take your guacamole. It is right there. Chop it down. You have an easy snack. You can bring this out of the party. You can have these all over the place, opened up or closed. And you can't go wrong with these. Now the ingredients are, let's see. So the ingredients are Hass avocados, distilled vinegar, contains 2% or less of distilled, no, it doesn't say that, or 2% or less of water, jalapeno peppers, salt, dehydrated onion, granulated garlic. Okay, and one container equals 120 calories, not a horrible diet thing where it'll take apart your diet. 12 grams from fat, 2 grams from saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 240 milligrams of salt, 30 carbohydrates, no, 3 grams of carbohydrates, 2 dietary fiber, 1 sugar, 1 protein. But you know, it says right here, no preservatives, and scooped Hass avocados, gluten-free, homemade taste, are great for on the go. So this is a perfect way to have something like a snack at lunchtime, or even to have it for a party. And that's how I'm going to use it today. Simply delicious. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next quick video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.